Hi everyone and welcome to my place. This is the remnants of my door wreath that I had for Christmas. It had beautiful roses onto it and I absolutely loved it. Took the roses off. It's been sitting on the door looking like it needs to be loved. So what I want to do today is show you how to take the basic wreath, if you've got one for Christmas that's got some spruce or whatever, conifer or whatever, and then take it to something that looks beautiful for the fall. And I'm also going to show you how to take these grape leaves, just grape leaves, they're all a bit manky, but that's okay, and turn them into a grape rose that we are going to put onto the wreath. It's not going to last long, but it's going to look visually nice until I can find something else and I'm not in lockdown anymore. So here we have another grapevine, which I'm just going to put on top of what I've already got here. And instead of cutting, I'm just going to use some rope or some bits of jute, and I'm just going to tie this on top of what's already there. I like to just tie when I'm doing things like this because I can usually find 2 or 3 uses out of what I do. So this could become something, I don't know, could turn it into something, could be a table display, I don't know at this stage. So by not cutting, at least you know that you can use it for another day. I love that about budgeting, and we don't know how long it's going to be until the world is back to its normal place, but maybe it's never going to be. So anyway, that's all I've done. And I think that visually it looks much, much better with more onto it. So sometimes more is better. And I'll just cut that little bit there if we don't want that little end onto there. Right, let me show you how to make the rose. You need to get yourself a selection of small, medium and large leaves, about that large as far as I've got. Now turn that leaf in half and then give it a fold through there so that you're left with a half. Then rolling that bit there, the middle bit up, like so. You don't even need the glue gun for this. Roll that up to there and then pinch that little bit there. Then get some smaller leaves, and then these are just going to be layered around your little coil. Get another one, and these here are going to be layered upon layered, but you know, just sort of like overlapping like so. Turning that into there. Here's another one. So it's just sort of like a little rotation as you're going around, just like as a rose does when it opens up from that little button. It sort of like pushes its way out. So I've got 3 leaves there. Let's just bring in another leaf. And as you go down, the stem's going to get a little bit thicker as you go. And then you can start adding some bigger leaves. Now, as I said, these don't last for very long, but once they're all bound, even as they dry off, they're still going to be visually nice. Now, where's my tape? One moment, forgot my tape. And I needed this too. Okay, so when you get to there, just get some parafilm or some wrap that you use. This is it. It's sort of stretchy, tapey, papery stuff that you use for binding your stems when you're making a corsage or wiring flowers. So we're just going to just squeeze that around and then keep that nice and flat like that, and then just roll that ever firmly, but not too firm, around as you go down the little stems. I think this is a great idea for fall, I reckon. I like it. It's going to look nice on my door. Take that down like that, and then you've got a little stem, but for today's purpose I'm going to cut that off, and then these are just going to be stuck down and into, oh look at, so now look, there's the one that I've just made, and that's the one that I did a couple of days ago. So it's all sort of like a bit, sort of, well, paper thin actually, and it's quite delicate. But on my door, it's going to look very nice. So just put that into there. That one can go down into there, and because we've got this lovely structure here, these will just, I should really be taping them in, but that'll do. So there we have, and that's just the beginning of it, of how it looks. And when I've finished it, I think it'll look very nice, but I'm not going to put these on until I get it downstairs and on the door. But even as it is, it's quite a nice looking wreath. And I think a wreath on the door at any time of the year always is a very welcoming sign. So I hope you've enjoyed that, because it was really this I wanted to show you. So, and the other thing I was going to say is, if you were having a fall wedding and it was like grapes and wine and things like that, these just made the day before scattered through the table could look very, very nice. So there's just a wee something to keep you occupied during this time of lockdown. Hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day. Thanks for watching.